Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to go over a couple of different ways that I go about cleaning the windshield of my Tesla vehicle. So the first way to do it is I get some auto glass cleaner and using it with a microfiber towel. The other way I'm going to show you is more like at a gas station. I actually set up my own little washing station here, but starting off with the Rain-X glass cleaner. And if you're interested in any of the stuff I'm using in this video, I'll post Amazon links down in the description if you want to check it out for yourself. So with this spray, we can put it on pretty thick, especially if you have bug splat marks and things like that on your windshield that you want to get rid of. And once you have it covered a good amount, then we can take our microfiber towel and wipe back and forth to clean off our windshield. And if you have little marks, you can go in there and use a little bit of elbow grease to get those out of there. But then we can just kind of go back and forth over the windshield and clean it up this way. And once you have it cleaned off pretty good and there's still some wet residue, go to the dry side of the towel, flip it over, and kind of give it another good once over. You don't want it to dry with a bunch of streaks, so trying to get those water droplets out as much as possible is ideal. So this is one way to go about cleaning the windshield of your Tesla vehicle. Now the other way that I go about doing this is I bought these on Amazon. It's 100 tablets. You just drop one tablet in to about a gallon of water and it dissolves in the water and makes it windshield washer cleaner. And actually this is a way that you can go about replacing windshield washer fluid. Each one of these will dissolve in a gallon. So if you keep a gallon of empty windshield washer fluid bottle, drop one of these in, fill it up with water, you can just keep using that. And 100 of these tablets were about $8 on Amazon. So it's a pretty cheap way to keep refilling your windshield washer fluid in your vehicle. But with the tablet dissolved in here, I can just use this like if I was at a gas station. We can go over here and I can see a bug mark right there. Put a little bit of elbow grease into it and it should come off relatively easily. So we can just go back and forth on our windshield here. And using a little bit of extra force when you see marks such as bug splats that are on your windshield. And the nice thing about using a squeegee is once it's wet here, we can just drag it along and get that extra water off with this. Going all the way down the windshield. And like I said, this is my preferred way to do this as opposed to using the spray bottle with the microfiber towel. I like how the squeegee gets it clean and how it's a little bit easier to dry and get those watermarks out with this side of the squeegee. And that'll get our windshield looking pretty good. If you see any spots after you're done, you can always just go over it a second time and clean things off that way. So I hope this video is helpful, going over a couple of different ways that you can go about cleaning the windshield glass. So again, if you're interested in getting this for your own garage, I'll have Amazon purchase links down in the video description if you'd like to check those out.